Truth be told, some of us are sick and tired of having to get out of our car in order to unlock the gate. Well, what you didn't know is that it's actually possible that you don't have enough power or that the solar gate on your roof is damaged. So, what are the most effective doors and gates that will make life simpler for you and ensure maximum security and effectiveness? Welcome to Future Tech Lab, and today we bring you some of the most incredible gates and doors you never knew existed. Number 10. Movio Comfort Drive. Enjoy the thrill of transformation with complete ease. This design is best suited for environments with a high population density, such as offices, hotels, and educational institutions. The Movio Comfort Drive is an entire system of partitions that may be relocated and reorganized in front of the user's eyes. They are constructed of modules, some of which are solid walls, while others contain openings for passageways. Rails provide the necessary support for the partitions to move into place as the geometry of these doors shifts during the course of the day. Both of the comfort and safety of the people are assured. The construction is strong, and the panels are not only lightweight but also provide a high level of sound insulation. Number 9. Bartels Doors and Hardware. Bartels doors are a common and popular choice for interior separations these days for a multitude of reasons. They have an unusual but appealing appearance, and they are a wonderful way to make the most of the space in a room. An American company called Bartels Doors and Hardware has developed a variety of one-of-a-kind door designs throughout the years. The doors have had an impressively sized metal frame with open mechanisms that set them apart from other doors. Another exciting feature is that the double doors open simultaneously in response to the activation of only one of the door handles. Number 8. Contour Manfred Eggers. This system is customized by Manfred. When you look at the wall, you might not assume that the doorway is disguised, but it is, and it's quite an amazing sight. Vertical components make up the structure, and those components are free to rotate to create an opening huge enough to fit a truck through. They come together to form a malleable wall that can be moved along rails. The framework is, in all honesty, not that complicated. Although they are rather long, the gates do not take up a significant amount of space when they're rolled. It's difficult for a gate made of a single piece to curve around corners as gracefully as this one does. Number 7. Avant 4. The Italian company have developed a cutting-edge gate solution that may be installed in fields and institutions. The gate is made up of two doors of varying sizes. The first is a pedestrian door that has a tried and true hinge design. The second door opens up from a horizontal to a vertical orientation. The doors can be opened alone or jointly, depending on how many people there are. It's also possible for the gate to transform into a different shape in order to save space. While preparations are being made to open it, it reduces height from 63 inches to 49 inches, and the opening time is cut down to less than 15 seconds. This is accomplished by moving the rails closer to one another. Number 6. Overlap Silver Locks. There are a total of 12 distinct layout options to choose from when designing the overlap doors, ranging from the more traditional vertical shape to a more contemporary geometric design. Extremely high levels of thermal and acoustic insulation are provided by the multi-EcoWood panels with a thickness of 75mm were utilized in the building of the overlapping door. Two door panels and an automatic operator called a sill motion are included in the design of the overhead garage doors that oscillate. Each panel's headbar also contains the operator, in order to create insulated sectional panels that can be folded in half for more or convenient storage. The lower panel slides underneath the one on top. Because there are no tracks or doors that go back into the garage, the area above the roof may still be used in its entirety, even if it was designed for a different purpose. It might come in very handy in situations where there are obstacles, such as utility meters, that would make the installation more difficult to do. Number 5. Bump gates. Getting out of your car to open the gate, getting back into your car to drive through, and then getting out of your car once again to secure the gate behind you is not a pleasurable thing to do, right? If you're like many, it's likely that you're not looking forward to it at all. Automated entrances have evolved as a result of this as a cost-effective alternative to paying gatekeepers, enabling you to drive all the way to your door while remaining in your car. You have a complete control over the opening and closing of the gate thanks to the gate opener kit. A holding latch, a set of hinges and locks, and a pair of soft but heavy-duty bump arms are employed on either side of the gate in conjunction with one another to ensure that the gate remains open until your vehicle has passed through it securely. Number 4. Murphy Door. When it comes to doors, Murphy Door is always a safe bet. To get things started, you'll discover that these doors operate really effectively to fulfill your demands. Your house or place of business might gain an additional 16 to 42 cubic feet of storage space with the installation of a Murphy door, which makes use of the space in the doorway and on the wall which would otherwise be wasted. The reputation of Murphy Door Inc.'s doors as being the highest possible quality has led to a meteoric rise in the company's customer base. In 2015, the National Association of Home Builders named it a finalist for the category of hottest goods. The Murphy door was published in a number of reputable periodicals, making it accessible to architects, builders, remodelers, and even homeowners who perform their own home improvement projects. Number 3. Sid Turn. At first glance, it looks like this door is made of robust material. Once you've got going, you'll realize that it has the adaptability to be sturdy while taking up almost no space at all. The constituent parts of the door can have any appearance that the designer chooses. Wood, plastic, or metal can be used to form them into the desired shape. One of the most significant characteristics is that the components are held together by hinges, which permit rotation with respect to one another. The capability of this door to have a varied number of components is one of its many advantages. Because of this, the size of the door is not very important. Number 2. Mulholland Gate. Mounting a swing gate on a steep driveway is a challenging undertaking. However, this is not the case with Mulholland, a company established in California. This gate is truly one of a kind in terms of its design. Not only does the gate swing open when you open it, but it also lifts up higher to the movement of the driveway as you do so. Because the door does not touch the ground, as you will see, it will neither gradually lose its appealing appearance over time, nor will it produce any sounds that are unappealing. This gate is one of a kind, and also creates quite a show when opening. Number 1. Oz Autogate. Everyone gets the most up-to-date version of this fantastic model, which has been a straightforward yet efficient layout. The gate appears to be a bump gate like the one we've seen. In this particular instance, however, a specialized platform utilizes a lifting mechanism mounted on a roller in place of the locking mechanism. Because of the weight of the car, the platform moves downward, which activates the mechanism that raises the gate. Yeah, you heard that right. It uses the weight of your car to open and close the gate. It is safe for both passengers and vehicles when the auto gate is open. Trailers and floats have plenty of time to go through because the hydraulics delay gate closure by 15 seconds. In this scenario, the driver does not have to get out of the car. All they have to do is gradually slow down their pace before driving through the gate, which would then close behind them as soon as they pass through it. So, which of the gates and doors do you think will serve you best? Comment below, let's engage. Also, if you're interested in more tech videos like this, please leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.